Okay, this is a 1997 Ford Ranger, about 143 miles on it, and the dust right there shows that. Problem we got going on is that when we have cold air, but it's all coming out of here. It's actually cool air, not cold, but good enough. And I'm in Phoenix, so of course I need it. And I can change all of these, change all of this, and there's nothing coming out of the vents, but it's all coming out of the defrost. And I'll show you what I found. Somebody on YouTube astutely pointed out this is a vacuum system. So I followed all the hoses around, and it didn't take long to figure out that that was the issue. This piece goes right there, and it just snapped right off, as you can tell from right there. So and then if we follow that along, it goes right underneath there. So stay tuned. I'll show you exactly what I end up doing when hopefully I get my air conditioning back on, because it's about 109 in Phoenix. So I was able to pull that piece, that wire piece, out of that piece, and I'm going to try and do a real cheap fix of just connecting the old line to this part right here. It's about to roll away. And because it was cut off right at the tip, so I think I can save a trip to O'Reilly's or somewhere. Nope, I just dropped it. So again, here's the old line. There's plenty of slack in it, so I can connect that to the Vacuum Reservoir, which is right there, and I just gonna slip it into that part right there. We'll see how this goes. Okay. That was easy. I just pushed it in there, got it pretty deep in there, and then you know, I just pulled it out. No worries about busting anything or cracking. You know, I live in Phoenix, so if it's gonna crack, it's gonna crack here. So that's back in there, and we will fire it up and see how this goes. Okay, when I first fired it up, I was like, it didn't work, but look where the dial's at now. You can hear it moving through. There's max AC, baby.